Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be going through another tutorial on the TI Inspire CX2, and we'll be focusing on the logarithmics equality and inequality questions. So we'll just be going through a couple of questions. The first question is this one here on 5D. So we have 3 to the power of x minus 5 less than or equals to 30, and then we want to solve for x. So this one is pretty straightforward. So let's bring out our calculator here. Okay, and then so I'll just quickly clear this. So we've got a fresh new page, and then we just want to type in the equation here. So we've got 3 to the power of x minus 5. And then before we do that, we go to menu, solve. So menu, algebra, and solve. So there's a couple of ways to do it. You can do it this way, or you can go through the solve systems of equation, and then you select for one variable. So, but in this case, we'll just quickly go through with this option here, algebra solve, and then we type in the expression for 3 to the power of x minus 5. So 3 to the power. So you got the power button here. So that's for the power, and then x minus 5. And then this is, so with the inequality expression, you can get it from, you have to press Control and then press this button here. So you can see the above, you got the blue symbols there. So you got the inequality symbols at the top. So you have to first press Control and then select for, in this case, it's going to be less than and equals to. So go for that one. And then you just type in 30. And then you just put comma and then x. So you tell the calculator that you're solving for x and press enter. So you get a like the exact values expression here. So this is in terms of natural log ln 7,290 over ln 3. So and then we can also get the decimal. So you can go control enter. So you can see the enter above. That's the approximate sign. So that will give you in terms of decimal. So you press Control Enter, then you can get in terms of decimals there. So let's quickly write our answers in. So let's go through this one. Then I'll just quickly share my screenshot here. Okay, so basically we've got x is less than equals to ln of 7290 over ln of 3. You can also express this in terms of log base 3. So how you do that is you go ln of 3, and then x is less than equals to ln of 7290, which is essentially ln of 3 to the power of x less than equals to ln of 7290. And then if you put exponential on both, then you cancel out the ln's. Then you get 3 to the power of x less than equals to 7290. So x is essentially less than equals to log base 3 7290, which is also in terms of decimals 8.096. But in this case, you want an exact answer, so you don't need to get that in terms of decimal. So that is your answer. And also, this should be acceptable as well in terms of natural log. So, whoops. So that's pretty much that. Let me just quickly tidy that up a little bit. So, and then I'll just quickly get this one. And then, so, whoops. Yeah, so you got two answers there. Whoops. Let me just clear that. Then close that. Yeah, so that's pretty much that. Cool. So, and then, yeah, let's go through 6a. So this one here is, so again, we're just solving for a, but in this case, we want to get it in terms of three significant figures. So a log base 2, 7 equals to 3 minus log base 6, 14. And we just type that into our calculator to solve. So, okay, let's quickly bring that up. So again, we go to menu, algebra solve, and then we type in the expression for, so we select a from the alphabets on the bottom, the keyboard, and then we just go a times log base 2. So with the log base, you select in terms of, so the log is the blue writing here, which is above 10 to the power of x. So you have to press Control Log, and then you've got base 2, so type 2, and then type 7, and then this is equals to 3 minus, and then you got log again, log base 6, and then 14, and then you just put comma A, and then press enter. And then you get that in terms of exact values here, and then you can just go Control Enter to get it in terms of decimal. So the answer to 3 significant figures is 0.544. So let's quickly write that into our answers. So in this case, it's just basically, oops, just quickly go to the screenshot here. Okay, so A is then equals to, whoops. So let me just go to here. So A is equals to 0.544 in terms of 3 significant figures. So yeah, that's it for today. If you've got any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Okay, I'll see you later.